Hey guys, welcome back. It's your guy Abdrazak Otokiti. Continuing from where we left off yesterday, we can do more in Excel by searching for a specific text within a text string by using some of the built-in Excel function. Say we want to find all the Yahoo Mail email address in this dataset. We want to return only the Yahoo Mail the Yahoo address in this data set. What we use the find function. First of all, start with the find function. You write find to find all the Yahoo Mail address in these data sets. So then the find text. What we are looking for is Yahoo. Then you write it here. Since Yahoo is what we are looking for, then you place comma. Yahoo is your search text. Then within the text, then the text that we are looking for Yahoo from, we are looking for Yahoo in this email address. Then you select it and close the bracket. If it finds Yahoo, it will return a number. If it doesn't find Yahoo, it will return an error. You see, it returns an error in this case because the email address in this row is a Gmail address because it is a.reina@gmail.com. Then for us to check for the remaining email address, we simply copy the formula down. Once you click it, you see in row 3, p.harmony@yahoo.com. It returns a number because it finds a Yahoo address there. It finds a Yahoo address here in a places where it doesn't find any Yahoo address, it returns an error. So let's take, for example, now we want to use is function. Let's assume we want to check if the address is a Yahoo email address. We can use the is function. If we use is number, then if it is a number, that means it is a Yahoo address. So if we click it, then we select the cell, this particular cell. You see, it's going to return false because here it's not a Yahoo address, it is a Gmail address. It's going to return false. So now, but if you copy the formula down, you will notice that anywhere there is a number, it will return true. Here it returns true, here it returns true. Where there is no number, it returns false because it is not a Yahoo Mail address. So we can then use if function to return all the emails that is for Yahoo. So now if we use if, then the logic test, we've already done our logic test here. Just click this cell, then comma, then the value if true. So which value do we, if it is true, which value do we want to return here? Then the email address is what we want. If it is true, if it is false, we just want it to be blank. It shouldn't return anything. So now it is false because what we have here is a Gmail address, but by the time we copy the formula down, you see that it returns only the Yahoo Mail address. This is how to return a particular, this is how to filter your data. So let's take, for example, now, if you want to, let's take, for example, we want to look for address, in this physical address, we want to look for address that belongs to New York. All the New York address here. Anywhere you see, this CA is California, NY is New York, California. So let's say, for example, now we want to find people that are from New York in this address. So what we simply do is that we combine all the steps we take here. So we just put equal to if bracket is number, then find, use the find function to find a keystroke. So now what we are looking for is NY, New York, all the New York address. within what? Within this address space. Within that address, then you close the bracket, then you close it, comma. If it is true, what do we want to return? We want it to return the address. If it's false, we don't want to return anything. Bracket and hit enter. It's false because that the first address is for California. So if we copy the formula down now, you now notice that only the New York address is a return in this case. So this is how you perform data filtering in Excel. This is one of the ways you perform data filtering in Excel 2016 for data analysis. Thanks for your time. Hope to see you next time. Thank you.